Is your salary playing hide and seek with you? Let's find it together and make every penny count. Let's dive in 3 simple steps to take control of your finances. Step 1. Pay off your debts and monthly expenses first. This is crucial. Think of it as clearing the path for financial freedom and peace of mind. Step 2. Set aside money for groceries, but don't forget to budget for some fun with family and friends. Pizza night, anyone? It's important to enjoy life too. Now, here's the magic trick. Even if your salary isn't huge, you can still save. Every little bit helps. Start by stashing a bit away each month, no matter how small. Consistency is key. Over time, those little bits add up to a nice cushion. You'll be surprised at how quickly it grows. Finally, once you have some savings, make your money work for you. Let it grow. Look into wise investments like stocks, bonds, or even a side hustle. Diversify your income. It's like planting a money tree. Watch it flourish. Remember, managing your salary is about balance. It's a delicate act. Pay your dues, have some fun, save a bit, and watch your money grow. You've got this. Stay committed and watch your financial health improve.